Hi there folks, this is the Warrior Unknown from my garden in Thailand. There's a couple of birds out here. I don't know what they're doing, mating or just kissing each other by the looks of it, but it's interesting to watch it. Looks like it. I think they call these nok khao in Thai language, but they almost look like little pigeons or doves really, if you were comparing them to a bird in England, but they call them, yeah, a white bird or whatever, nok khao. But even though they're not really actually white, but interesting to watch. Here they go again, here they go. Give me a kiss, give me a kiss. Oh, gone off the screen a little bit there. Well, they do look like sort of little kind of dove or pigeon-like birds really, when you look at them. Pecking at something on the wall there. I'm just sort of keeping... Oh, sorry about that folks. Anyway, looks like they've finished their activity for now. This is the Warrior Unknown, alias Graham Carroll. Over and out, folks.